Fibonacci, quadratic, cubic, there are so many nonlinear sequences. Let's see if we can carry them on. We're going to use term-to-term rules to continue nonlinear sequences. Let's have a look at this question. The second term is twice as big as the first term. 1 times 2 is 2. The third term is twice as big as the second term. 2 times 2 is 4. So let's carry that on. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. The term-to-term rule is how to get from one term to the next. What's the term-to-term rule for this sequence? Well, it's going to be times 2. Any sequence with a constant multiplier, like this sequence, is called a geometric sequence. And let's finish on this question. What are the next two terms in this sequence and why? If you think you know, let me know in the comments below. And you can come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description to access all of our free papers, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger KS3 course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.